Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. If you're a gaming fanatic like us, then you're going to love today's review. We're talking about the Nintendo Switch Neon Blue Red Joy-Con game console. This incredible gaming console features a 6.2-inch LCD screen and a battery life of 4.5 to 9 hours, making it the perfect on-the-go gaming device. But that's not all. This set comes with different purchasing options. You can choose between the Neon set without any games, the Gray set without any games, the Neon Mario Kart 8 set, which contains a digital version of the game, or the Animal Crossing Limited set. There's something for everyone now. I know what you're thinking, why should I invest in the Nintendo Switch? Well, let me tell you. The Nintendo Switch offers unparalleled versatility. Whether you're playing at home or on the go, alone or with friends, the Nintendo Switch has something for everyone. Not to mention the extensive game library available, including popular titles like Mario Kart and Animal Crossing. And here's the best part: our store provides a 12-month warranty service starting from the date of purchase. So you can have peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on the Nintendo Switch Neon Blue Red Joy-Con game console today. Happy gaming, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and gaming content.